Dear students, welcome to my class. So this is the new chapter 8, adjectives. So it is in page number 34. So first let us know what is an adjective. Suppose see there is a picture of an apple. Apple, first you can say that it is red in color. See, red apple. So apple is a noun, and for that apple you used a word to describe the apple. So what is the color of the apple? It is red. So if you say red apple, so that red is the adjective. Apple is a noun. See, suppose this is ice cream. It is a noun. Because noun is what? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. These naming words are called nouns. So here all the pictures that you are seeing, all are nouns. Before nouns, we use some words to describe that noun. Suppose see here, this is an ice cream. The ice cream is cold and ice cream is tasty. So cold and tasty describes the ice cream. So that cold and tasty are adjectives. This adjective means the words that describe a noun are called adjectives. You will be clear when I will explain this. See, warm up. Circle the words that describe these pictures. See, look here, this is a picture of an apple. So there are three words. Among these, two words describe the apple. One is juicy, another is red. What kind of apple? It is juicy, it is red. So these words are describing the apple. Apple is a noun, and the words which describe the apple, these are known as adjectives. In the same way, let's go to next picture. It is a picture of an ice cream. So you know ice cream is always cold, then it is tasty also. But young, here there is another word given, that is young. Young is not an adjective for ice cream. If you say young boy, then it's okay. But young ice cream, it is wrong. So the suitable adjective for ice cream is cold and tasty. Next is, see, this is a picture of a sunflower. What is the color of sunflower here? Color of sunflower is yellow, and the shape of the sunflower is round. So here there are three words. Among these you have to choose, the correct ones are round and yellow. So these are known as adjectives, means the words which describe a noun. Here the noun is sunflower, and these are the words which are describing the sunflower. So these words are known as adjectives. In the same way, look here, this is a picture of a dinosaur. It is young, as a looking at the face, it seems like it is cute and young. So I circle these two, and the picture doesn't seem like that dinosaur is old. So the answer will be these two, young and cute. Next is, look here, there are roses. There are total 6 roses, 7 roses. So the roses are beautiful. One you can say beautiful, and the other is, see, the picture of the roses are pink. So beautiful and pink. Ugly means opposite of beautiful, means not good. But roses are always good. It looks very nice. So this one will not be the correct one. The correct ones are beautiful and pink. Next is, look here, this is a picture of a cake. One is stale, delicious and tasty. Delicious and tasty are same. It also means very tasty, and tasty means is very sweet and very yummy. So these two will be the correct adjectives for cake. Stale means which is not good. But cake is always tasty and very sweet. So this will be these two will be the correct ones. Next one, you see, this is a picture which seems very dirty. Some flies are also flying. So the answer will be smelly, and the other one will be dirty. Next is, look, there is a picture of a baby elephant. It looks very cute. So the one will be cute and the other will be, is very little, no? So, and the other will be little. And there is one, and there is huge. Huge means very big. But here in the picture you can see that the elephant is very, it is not big, it's very small. So these two are the correct ones. So these two words are describing the elephant. So these are known as adjectives. Next is lazy, handsome and smart. You can look at the picture that this person is looking handsome and he is also looking smart, but he is not looking lazy. So these two are the correct answer for this picture. So adjective means the words which describe the nouns. These all the pictures that you are seeing are all nouns, and the circle ones are adjectives which are used for describing the nouns. So let's go to next page, page number 35. There is a definition of an adjective that I told just now. The words that help to describe nouns are called adjectives. See here number A. Underline the adjectives in these sentences and tell which noun each adjective describes. So for the question is, first you have to underline these adjectives and then you have to tell which noun each adjective describes. So number 1 is giraffes have a long neck. So the adjective is what? Neck. And the question is, you have to underline the adjective and for which noun these adjectives are, you have to mark this one. So here the long is what? Long means the giraffe's neck is long. So this is the noun and the long is used for describing the neck. So here, in order to tell which noun this adjective describes, let me circle this so that you can understand it. So these are the nouns. The circle ones will be the nouns which I will circle. So neck is a noun. And what type of neck is of giraffe? It is long. So long is the adjective. Next one is New Delhi is a large city. See, large city. What type of city New Delhi is? New Delhi is a large city. So city is the noun and large is the adjective. Next is, he is an honest police officer. What type of police officer he is? He is an honest police officer. So police officer is a noun and the type of officer is he is honest. So this is an adjective. The underlined ones are adjectives and the circle ones are nouns. Next one is the swimmers jumped into cold water. See, water is the noun. What type of water is? The water is cold. Next is, we could look through the clear glass. So glass is clear. What type of glass? The glass is we could see through. Always you all know that we can only see if the glass is clear. So the clear is the adjective. Next is, I went to the market to buy a new dress. Dress is a noun and the adjective is new. Next is, the big dog was playing with the small dogs. There are two adjectives here. See, dog is the noun here and the adjective is here big, and their big dog is playing with the small dogs. So here there is another noun and the adjective for dogs is small. Next is, we put our dirty clothes in the washing machine. So see here, this is an adjective for the noun clothes. What type of clothes? Dirty clothes. So clothes is a noun and the adjective is dirty. Next is, the happy children clapped as the funny clowns came in. So the noun here is children. What type of noun? What type of children? Happy children. So happy is the adjective. This is the noun. And here also you'll find clowns. Clowns means jokers. Jokers are always funny. So funny is the adjective of clowns. In the question it is not mentioned to circle the nouns, but in order to identify the nouns for which the adjectives are used, so I have circled the nouns so that you can understand. So neck is the noun for the adjective long, city for large, police officer is a noun for the adjective honest. In the same way, water is a noun for cold, glass is the noun for clear, dress is the noun for new, dog here the adjective is big, for dogs the adjective is small, for clothes here the adjective is dirty, for children the adjective is happy, and for clowns the adjective is funny. So what did you find? There the words which describe the nouns, here the circle ones are nouns, the words which describe the nouns are known as adjectives. So let's go to number B, letter B. Add suitable adjectives to these nouns. Dash dress, I have written nice dress. Next is dirty clothes. Next is happy child, little milk, blue sky, hot sun, good boy, red apples, pink roses. These are all nouns, and for these nouns I have used adjectives to describe the noun. So what type of dress? Nice dress, milk, little milk, boy, what type of boy he is? Good boy. What is the color of apples? Red, so I have written red apples. Sky, so blue sky. Clothes, dirty clothes. Child, happy. Sun, hot sun. Roses, pink roses. So in my next video, today I have discussed the meaning of adjectives. In my next video I shall discuss the types of adjectives. So for today, let's end the class here. So thank you.